Hello students, this is my channel. My channel name is Accountancy Wala. Here I want to give some information to the commerce stream students. So listen students, as you know about that there are so many streams available in the schools, in the premises, in the education sector. There are so doubt in so many students that with the commerce stream we cannot do anything. If any student has selected the commerce streams, and then the society members, then other then teachers will also see that that person has selected the commerce stream, it means he or she has not selected the science stream, so he cannot do anything in their life. So it is wrong. So first I want to discuss about that, what are the fields related from the commerce stream in the career. So students, this is my first video. Here I am sharing the short video to you, but after that I will also upload the subject related topics related from the accountancy of class 11th and 12th. Okay, so students, please like my video and share it if it is possible. So now students, look here. So here students, I am sharing some information related from the commerce stream. As you know about that, there is the highest post related from the commerce stream is CA. The full form of the CA is Chartered Accountant. In the CA, after CA, you can see that I have put the CS in second stage. The full form of the CS is Company Secretary. Then in the third stage, third point I have put it here, MBA, that is called the Master of Business Administration. And fourth I have selected here CLAT. So students, I want to tell you about that, as like the students of that stream that has selected that I have completed, I have chosen the math stream, so I will complete the engineering. So engineering is the highest degree of the math stream. As like in the bio, you know about that MBBS, that is the doctorship, that is the highest degree in the bio stream. So same here, CA is the highest degree of the commerce stream. After that you can do, after completion of CA, you can do any type of the practice. You can also do any type of the job related from the auditor. In the second rank, I will put it here Company Secretary, that is as like the CA. But in the CA there is the mathematics is compulsory, but CS there is no mathematics, so it is easily for those students who have less or no knowledge of regarding the mathematics. Then MBA has been completed after that graduation. CA and CS you can complete after the intermediate. After 12th you can also complete it, and after BCom you can also do it. But as per my suggestion, I told you about that. After 12th it is better to complete CS or CA as per your knowledge. Okay, MBA, for MBA it is necessary to complete the bachelor degree before, as like for the MBA you can also complete the BBA or BCom. Okay, as per my suggestion, I told some students, here I am teaching in the offline classes more than 24 years. So as when the student has taken the suggestions from me, then I have suggest to each and every student, if you want to complete the MBA and you want that you will get the more and more lines in the commerce stream after completion of the MBA, or if you want to change any type of the line in the future, so you can do firstly BCom, then after that MBA. And there is one course also based on the CLAT. On the basis of the CLAT you can do the that is also better, and it is for the legal advisor of any type of the company. It means after completion of the selection, after completion of the CLAT, and if any student had selected in the campus premises, so that type of the student will get a legal advisor job. So here I have shared the 4 types of the commerce stream field. There are so many types of the stream that I will also share with you in the next video after that. So if you have any doubt, so you can also send me message. If any type of the student want some information regarding the future planning, regarding any type of the things, which type of the field is better for that type of the student, so you can also give the time with me to take the suggestions as per your thinking. So students, now for today's video it is sufficient, so we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye.